I found, actually I didn't find, I had a shipment with a pallet, and no one picked up the pallet, so I decided to break it down to keep these 2x4s, since basically wood is expensive like heck. So I might as well recycle or reuse it. So what I'm doing with these 2x4s is I want to stack it in here as a bed divider for stuff. So that's what I'm going to be trimming. I already got all the nails out of here, and now I'm just going to measure it and cut it down. I hope this doesn't get in the way, this rail, for me to stick the wood in it, because I guess I should be able to come out this way and then drop it. But anyways, measurements I've been seeing. Some people are saying 54. I think 54 might be a little short. 54 and a quarter might be it. So I'm gonna go 54 and a quarter, and then yeah, 54 and a quarter, and see if that works. Maybe 3/8, 54 and 3/8, just to be safe, and trim it down. Yeah, that's YOLO. 54 and a quarter. All right, 54 and a quarter. So let's go with that. Cross my fingers. 54 and a quarter is really good. Look at that. Little gap here. And a little gap here, not much. I could put a little cushioning, maybe a piece of carpet or something. You know, keep it from rubbing the paint. Or bouncing like that. That's the magic number though, 54 and a quarter. Peace out, guys.